Modern industry represents a dramatic evolution from the industrial practices of the past. It is defined by its integration of advanced technologies, globalized operations, and a focus on sustainability and innovation. This new landscape is reshaping how we produce goods and services, impacting economies and societies worldwide. Understanding its characteristics is crucial for navigating the complexities of the 21st century business environment. At the heart of modern industry lies a relentless pursuit of efficiency and productivity. This is achieved through the adoption of sophisticated technologies like automation, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. These advancements are transforming traditional manufacturing processes, leading to faster production times, reduced costs, and improved product quality. Furthermore, modern industries are highly interconnected, with operations spanning across borders and continents. This globalization of supply chains allows companies to leverage resources and expertise from around the world. It also presents unique challenges such as managing complex logistics and ensuring ethical sourcing practices. Ultimately, the defining characteristic of modern industry is its adaptability. In a rapidly evolving technological and geopolitical landscape, businesses need to be agile and responsive to change. This requires a commitment to continuous improvement, a willingness to embrace new ideas, and a focus on developing a skilled and adaptable workforce. Technology is the driving force behind the transformation of modern industry. From artificial intelligence to robotics, these advancements are fundamentally changing how businesses operate and compete. The integration of these technologies is not just about increasing efficiency, it's about creating new possibilities, unlocking new levels of productivity, and developing entirely new business models. One of the most significant impacts of technology is the rise of automation. Robots and other automated systems are increasingly taking over repetitive or dangerous tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. This shift is particularly evident in manufacturing, where automated assembly lines are now commonplace. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is another game-changer in modern industry. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and insights, enabling businesses to make more informed decisions. This capability is transforming everything from supply chain management to product development. In healthcare, for example, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. The impact of technology extends far beyond the factory floor or the research lab. Cloud computing, for instance, allows businesses to access computing power and data storage on demand, reducing the need for expensive hardware and IT infrastructure. This has leveled the playing field for small and medium-sized enterprises, allowing them to compete with larger corporations. Globalization has been a defining feature of the modern era, and its impact on industries is undeniable. Supply chains have become increasingly complex, with raw materials, components, and finished products often traversing multiple borders before reaching their final destination. This interconnectedness has brought about both opportunities and challenges for businesses operating in the global marketplace. One of the primary benefits of globalization is access to new markets. By expanding their operations overseas, companies can tap into new customer bases and increase their revenue streams. This is particularly true for industries such as technology and consumer goods, where demand for innovative products and services is high in emerging markets. However, managing global supply chains also presents logistical hurdles. Businesses must navigate complex customs regulations, fluctuating exchange rates, and geopolitical risks. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed the fragility of these interconnected systems, highlighting the need for greater resilience and diversification. Despite the challenges, globalization has undoubtedly led to greater economic integration and interdependence. This has fostered innovation and competition, resulting in higher quality products and lower prices for consumers. As technology continues to advance and transportation costs decrease, the trend of globalization is likely to continue, further shaping the landscape of modern industry.